I'm coming in right here.
It's ready. It's recording. Go on. Get it ready. Jesus Christ.
Ow!
Oh, goddamn. That came at me. Ow. Like, you gonna pop a zip for me?
What the hell?
What is it?
Look at this shit, Logan. This is not number 8 shot. That is not number 8 shot.
The hell kind of 8 shot is that?
That's not 8 shot. That's not 8 shot.
Goddamn, no.
I think it's one of your 22 bullets. Is there loaded up?
Yeah, she's loaded, buddy.
You should be loaded now. We'll go clean it out. Hey, do not go above him because that shit ricochets a lot harder.
Yeah.
I mean, that what just happened hurt, but...
Alright, now let's go jump on it. Let's ride it down the hill.
Put commando on this shit. Yeah, we gotta take her out.
Fucking climb it. Somebody climb it and ride it down.
Dude, it's gotta be damn near close to breaking.
Ride it. Ride on it. I'm going commando.
There's no animal within 20 miles of us right now.
Goddamn, look at all Chase's shells.
Goddamn. Are we in there good? There's the parts we've got.
Somebody shimmy up there and ride it down.
You kidding me? Dude, we're only getting about a fingernail's worth in with one bullet.
Should have shot at the corners.
I'll go over on that side and shoot it.
What you got left?
A bunch, a couple. I'll take 2. That's what I can risk.
It's like, die, motherfucker, die.
You load
I win.
2 up.
Still a smaller tree.
What?
Still a couple smaller trees. Huh? We dropped the big guy. He's down for a while.
Smaller trees?
Still some bigger trees. Hey! That's Adam. God damn!
Damn! You son of a bitch! I said warning! Fuck!
Fuck, fuck, fuck! Alright, breaking time. Y'all got anything to say?
Trees are pain in the Hell yeah, pop off. That's all I can say.
Dude, we need to make our own video. Like, fucking.
What do you mean on video? We just sit there and...
No! Like our own hunting video. What you want, Papa?
I took that tree down, son.
I think I'm still recording.
Hey! Alright, give me a minute! What? I heard Logan. I heard Mom.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Why would she be pissed?
I don't know. She asked me had targets. She asked me had targets. She'd be like, where the damn targets at? Still up there.